Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of array in methods. Here what we are going to do is we are going to create an array, and that's gonna add values. Like for example, if we create array with some values, it's going to add 5 to all of the values and return the answer. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how to do that. First I'm going to introduce an array. Let's call this one int Taliban. Taliban is my name, and square bracket, and here we are going to put some values for the array. Let's put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then here I call the function change Taliban, because I'm going to create a function called change, and we are going to call that function here. And after we call that function, let's go and see what that function is going to look like. Here what you're going to do is, in that function we are going to add 5 to all of these array values. So to add that, I'm going to create a function public static void change int x, and here I go do a for loop to add 5 to all of these array values. For int counter is equal to 0 and counter is less than x dot length, then counter plus plus. Okay, then we add 5 to all the values. X counter plus equal 5. Okay, now we call the function, and now I create a for loop for int y Taliban, and here I put a printout statement, system dot out dot print line y, and that's it. Let's go and run this one. Now you can see it added 5 to all the values. Previously we had 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 5 is 11, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So here what happened, first we introduce an array. The program goes like the top to bottom. So first we introduce an array. It's going to read this array, and then here it says there's a change Taliban. Here's a function. So it looks at the function. The function is, okay, where's the function? The function is here, public static void change integer x. So it goes to this function, and here we have a for loop. The for loop is created to run through all of these array variables. So it runs through all the variables. Each time the x is replaced with the first value will be replaced with x, and add 5 to that. Then the second value will be replaced with x and add 5 to that. So it goes like that for everything, and return back here, and here it goes and print out this statement. And that's how it happens. Okay, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.